Alright.
Just go.
Leave that! Are you crazy? Put black and yellow back.
Alright, go.
I'll talk?
Yeah.
Oh, I drama and fuck it?
Yeah.
Fuck the drama, nigga. Like,
No.
you and Marvin need to take a step back.
What are you talking about?
What
Talk
you-
about the little speech.
What speech?
Your high ass.
What?
Your
Remind
extra
me,
friendly
remind me.
relationship.
Oh, alright, yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Nigga, okay, yeah. I told Marvin that I was tired of, like, whatever.
No,
it is,
say
nigga.
the
And I said it
speech.
mad rude. I said it mad rude, nigga. I did not say it rude. That's what I was trying to say. I
Yeah.
did not say it rude, but I didn't say it the most polite way either. And then I was, the rude asshole would be like, yo, I'm tired of your girl shit, nigga. I'm tired of your girl shit. And then the polite one would be like, excuse me,